Welcome. Today in front of me Motorola Moto G60S, and I'll show you how to install iPhone keyboard on this device. So first you should go to the Play Store, and here on the search pool type green Apple keyboard. Now we have to get this application, so tap to install and wait a few seconds while application installs on your device. Now just here open the app. Here click to enable in settings, and here near the green Apple keyboard tap once on the switcher, and here click OK, again OK. Now just go back and tap to the switch input methods and switch your keyboard to the English United States keyboard, and that's finished right now, as you can see. And now I'll try to type something, and okay, right there, as can you see, we got our U keyboard, the like IS1, and this keyboard as the emojis is also close to the IS1. So that's how it looks. If you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.